So guys, you're most welcome for this section here of the wonderful things that I wanted to reveal to you today. Yes, but before we proceed, please always remember to subscribe, like the video, comments, and drop down hold your comments. Yes, of the wonderful thing that I want to tell you today. How can you convert the PDF document into the Microsoft Office Word? Maybe you have been given the document that is in the PDF, and then you wish to edit, and you know very well that you cannot edit the PDF document just like that. You have to convert it into the Microsoft Office Word. We have too many ways of doing that. The PDF, we have two types of PDF, or we have many PDF. The one that was saved or designed in the Microsoft, and then the one that was designed in Illustrator, that is Adobe Illustrator. If someone saved the work that was designed in Illustrator, and this time round you wanted to open with the Microsoft Office Word, it will not work. I can assure you on that one. So what you have to do, you have to use the you have to use the Adobe Illustrator to edit that file. If you try with other tools, it will not work. You understand? So I will show you two methods of converting the PDF into Word. Yes, but for the case of Adobe PDF, please edit with Adobe software. Edit with Adobe software, that is Illustrator. You understand? You just import your file there, then you'll be able to edit. Yes, because we have the what is called the pixels and the document. There is a difference between the pixels, or maybe the vectors, and the document. So we are going to do the first thing. How can you convert the PDF document that was designed in the Microsoft Office Word, and this time round you wanted to edit it? How can you do that? So guys, this is our file that is in PDF that we are going to deal with, this one here. You understand? So what you are going to do right now, you are going to select the file. You understand? You right click, you left click, that is using by using the primary button. If you are using the mouse, right, just left click, then you are going to right click again as normal. You understand? So you are going to see this one here, open to it. You understand? As you can see, I have this one open to it. This one here, this is Acrobat. It's not the thing that I want. Just say it, choose another app. Then I will again show more app. I will scroll down here. As you can see, I have this one here. One, click on it, and don't say it opens always with this one here. Just go and click on this one, because if you say it open with this one here, always use this app to open the PDF file. It is going to be like a default reader. Don't select this one. Just come and say OK from here. The moment you click on OK, the conversion will start right away, and the Microsoft Office Word will be opening your PDF. As you can see, it is opening right now. Yes, it is opening. So let us wait and see what is going to happen. It might take some few minutes to open. It depends on how powerful is your PC, and then also the processor, the RAM, those are the things that always contribute. Then the partitioning of the hard disk. If the hard disk is not partitioned well, you have problem. So guys, as you can see, we are able now to work on to this document here. Yes, this is now the file that was in PDF. So right now I can edit, I can do all things that I wanted to do. I can do a lot of things on it. Then after the work again, I can still save it back to the PDF. You understand? I can still save it to the PDF. So right now I can edit this file. I can edit it perfectly. I can edit it. As you can see, we already have our work here. I can edit it. So let me try to do some editing here so that you can see that we are editing. So let me change this text here. Let me change this text here. Okay, let me change this text here. As you can see, I'm changing the text. You understand? So if you are done with all of this one, just go ahead and save that file again to PDF. Maybe the person who wanted to use this file also want in a PDF, or you wanted it to be in a PDF. Go and right click over here. Go and click there and say save as. You understand? If you say save as, browse onto your PC, browse, give the path where the file should be saved. You understand? So if you wanted it to be on the desktop, like here, as you can see, just give a different file name. if if you don't give a different file name and that is there in the same location, we have problem. Like change the file name like this, then I will click on this part here. As you can see, this one here, this is save as type. You understand? So click there and you see this one here, PDF. Select PDF and set save. The work will be again saved into PDF. That is the way how you can do all these things. That is one method. That is one method how you can edit the PDF. But guess what? Maybe you're using the Microsoft for 2007. For 2007 doesn't do this one here, saving as a PDF. You understand? But you can open with. But saving as a PDF, it is not there in the Microsoft for 2007. You understand? If you're using the Microsoft for 2007, I can assure you on that one, it will not work. It will not work. It will not work. That one I can assure you on it. It will not work. So guys, as you can see, we are able to have the PDF again. Yes, we are able to have the PDF away again. Yes, it's very simple. As you can see, it's very simple. I'll be getting back right there to show you another method. How can you convert the PDF into Microsoft? Yeah. You're welcome. Another way to do that is very simple. You are going to open your browser. If you are using Google Chrome, Firefox, whatever it is, even on your phone, just go and type here convert. You understand? Convert PDF to Word. You understand? So as you can see, we are able to get onto this AI here, that is convert PDF to Word online for free. Others that there you have to buy. You understand? So you just come and click over here on that link. Will be prompt to the website. So as you can see, I have this one here. This one, we are going to select our PDF file from here. Click here. You can either just drag and drop, but I don't want to do that. Yes, just come and click there and you will be given a path for the file selection. So I don't want to select this one. Let me go onto the desktop. We get the other previous work. As you can see, the other work it is here. Just click on it and say it opened from here like this. It's very simple. When the upload is done, you're going to see your file uploaded like this. It will look like this, you understand? So at the right hand side here, this is the command button that we do all the execution here. Here is where you are going to do all things from here. It's a very powerful button that will help you. Go and click on it, convert to Word. As you can see, it is converting PDF to the Word. Now we have the what? The work already done. It is here. It is here. It is here already. As you can see, I'm now downloading it. Let me again put it onto my desktop. Let me give it a different file name. For like 11 again, one there. Then I said save. So if it is done, you're going to see the alerts on your browser, or you go right away there and check it. For me, I will click here and see if the download is done. It's still getting done, but it is almost here. It's getting done. If it is done, okay, mine is done. Just click on that path and say it. So what? So the folder location. As you can see, this is the work that we are able to convert using online AI. This is the thing. As you can see, it is also in the look of the PDF in the Word, not in the PDF. The one that was in the PDF is this one here. Now this is already in the Word. You can use it right now. You can edit. You can do whole thing from here. So guys, this is the way how you can convert the PDF file into the Microsoft Office Word and do all kind of editing that you wanted to do. So it's very simple, and I really hope that you have learned something. If you have learned something, please always don't forget to share the video, subscribe, like the video, and drop your comment always. If you do that, you will always support me to do more for you. Thank you. See you in another section.